I'm your online tutor. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Today, I will teach a new thing. We will learn about introduction of partial fraction. By the end of this video, students will be able to identify proper or improper fraction. So excited to learn a great thing? Let's start. Do you know about fraction? Do you heard before about proper fraction or improper fraction? If you don't know before, it's okay. We will explore together. Here, we will discuss about two types of fraction. The first one is proper fraction and the second one is improper fraction. Before you go through into this fraction, we will know first what is proper and what is improper through this situation. Okay student, now what you see in screen is a person with small head and big body. This is considered as a normal situation, or we can say that is a proper, right? What happened when the next situation we see a person with same size of head and body and another person with big head but small bodies? This situation we consider as a abnormal, or we can call it improper situation. When student face this situation in equation, student will recognize rather than the situation is normal or abnormal. The second part that student must know before identify the fraction are proper or improper is about degree and polynomial. Degree of polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial comes from poly means many and nomial means terms, so it says many terms. When we want to decide the fraction is proper or improper, we look at the degree of fractions. What is degree? The degree is the highest power of x term in the polynomial. Here the example of polynomial and the number of degree. Now we will discuss about 5 examples of polynomial equation with x terms. In the first equation, we can see 5x to the power of 12 is the highest power of x terms, so the degree is 12. For the second equation, the highest power of x term is 4, so the degree is 4. The next one only have one terms, 56x, the power of 23, so the degree is 23. In the second last equation, the x term with the power 1, so the degree is 1. And the last one, no x term there, so the degree is 0. Now, student will see a real equation of proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Generally, the proper fraction is when the numerator is less than the denominator. When the equation have a power of x in numerator is 1 and the power of x in denominator is 2, numerator is smaller than the denominator. So it matches for situation 1. We will see another example. It's about improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Improper fraction is when the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. When we have the power of x in numerator is 3 and the power of x in denominator is 2, numerator is larger or equal than the denominator. So, it matches with situation 2. Here, have 4 examples of fraction to make students more clear about proper fraction and improper fraction. Watch it carefully and try to understand.
For example 1, as we can see here, power of x in numerator is 1, where power of x in denominator is 2. So we confirm that 1 less than 2, this is proper fraction. For this second example, in numerator, the power of x is 2, where in the denominator, we need to identify the maximum power of x. Now this is x plus 2. This is x minus 2 squared. This part we need to expand, becomes x minus 2, x minus 2. So x times x, so we get x squared, times x, so maximum x is x power of 3. Now, the numerator is 2 and denominator is 3, 2 less than 3, so this is also proper fraction. For example 3, in numerator, the power of x is 3, where in the denominator, the power of x is 2. So 3 is more than 2, so this is improper fraction. For example 4, in numerator, the power of x is 3, where in the denominator, we need to identify the maximum power of x. So x multiply with x squared, so we get x power of 3. If the power of x is equal 3 and 3, so this is improper fraction.
With all explanation and example given, now student will be able to identify what is proper fraction and what is improper fraction.